Okay, so in this next tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to link up your, set up your website on the engtech.uottawa.ca web server. So what we're going to do here is we're going to open up Aptana. So if it's not installed on your computer, you should install it. When you open it up, it'll ask you for a directory. Just know in the back of your mind where this is going to be, because that's going to be where all your documents are stored on your computer. So we're going to open up Aptana, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new project, and we're going to connect that project on our web server. So the first thing, so I've already got it configured here as G50, but I'm going to do it from scratch all over again right when this application is done loading. Yeah, so I think we're good. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go new, and we're going to go web project. You're going to create a default project here. Go next. And I'm going to call this my username on the web server. Let's call it, let's say I used G49. Okay. And we're going to finish this. Now G49 here needs to be connected to a web server. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click on connections. I'm going to call this new connection G49. Our web server, I'm going to create a new one. So there's probably, for you, it's probably going to be empty. But in our situation, we're going to go new. The site name is going to be G49. Our server is engtech.uottawa.ca. You're going to input your username, and you're going to input your password. Okay, and we're going to save this. Now to test out to see if it works, you can click test, and if it all works, we should be good. Now this is a little complicated part. I'm going to do this slowly. We need to set up the the remote path on our server. To do this, we click Browse, click the little plus, and you're going to want to find the folder called var. So it's probably the last one here. Inside of var, you're going to want to find www. Okay, so click plus on that one. Then we're going to want to find HTML inside of the www folder. Okay. And inside here, we're going to want to find the folder that is associated to your username. So that would be G49. And you're going to click the folder and select that path. Once that's done, you click OK. You apply the settings, and you're OK. Providing this has worked, you'll have a little plus on your connections. You'll be able to go into folder G49, and it will probably be empty for you. If it's not empty, like in this account here, you can just go ahead and delete everything that is in this folder. You won't need it at this time. Okay. Now, if it's done, you can double click it. It won't really do anything. But what we want to do is we want to right click, create new file. We're going to name the file index.html. Click next. You can create any of these templates, but I'm just going to go back. Well, no, let's create a template here. Create file using one of the templates. We'll use the strict template here, and we'll have a basic HTML template. Okay? Now, the neat thing about this is that our website will automatically get updated online every time we save our code. So in our web page, whenever we want to add things to our website, we have to add it within the body tags. So this is kind of like a sandwich. The meat is inside of your body tags. This is kind of like your top bun and bottom bun. So if I write inside here, hello, new website, and I save it, you should be able to see, if I go to my website, enchtech.uottawa.ca/G49, I should be able to see my website. Hello, new website. You can also access your website by linking it to the direct file, but we took a little shortcut by calling our file index.html. If you wanted to put any other file on your web server, you could, for example, drag and drop. So as before, for my site wireframe, I could take these two files, drag them over inside my G49. They would appear on my website, and then I could access it by going /site_wireframe.html, and I would see my my site like that. So that's the gist of it, how to configure your web server on enchtech.uottawa.ca with the website.